How do I detect whether a Python variable is a function? I have a variable, x, and I want to know whether it is pointing to a function or not. I had hoped I could do something like, but that gives me. The reason I picked that is because
the following should return a Boolean.
If this is for Python 2.x or for Python 3.2+, you can use callable. It used to be deprecated, but is now undeprecated, so you can use it again. You can read the discussion here, this URL. You can do this with. If this is for Python 3.x, but before 3.2, check if the object has a __call___ attribute. You can do this with. The off-suggested types.function types or inspect.isFunction approach, both do the exact same thing, comes with a number of caveats. It returns false for non-Python functions. Most built-in functions, for example, are implemented in C and not Python, so they return false. So types.function type might give you surprising results. The proper way to check properties of duck-typed objects is to ask them if they quack, not to see if they fit in a duck-sized container.
Built-in types that don't have constructors in the built-in namespace, e.g. functions, generators, methods, are in the types module. You can use types.function type in an ICE instance call. Note that this uses a very specific notion of function that is usually not what you need. For example, it rejects zip, technically a class. Open, built-in functions have a different type. And random.shuffle, technically a method of a hidden random.random instance. If you're doing something specific to types.function type instances, like decompiling their bytecode or inspecting closure variables, use types.function type. But if you just need an object to be callable like a function, use callable.
Since Python 2.1 you can import isFunction from the inspect module.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.